Friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we are going to discuss automatic clearing by the T code app.13. Before starting, I request you all, if you like the video, so do subscribe and share the videos with your friends. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's go to SAP screen and do the practical for automatic clearing. As we did the configurations in a previous video, today we are going to run the T code app.13 for automatic clearing. So this is the window where we can clear our all open items by automatic clearing. Either your customer open items, your vendor open items, or your GL open items. So now I am going to clear my GL open items. So first of all, we have to give the company code, then fiscal year, then whatever the items you want to clear, you have to tick on it. Like if you want to clear your customer open item, so you have to tick on it. Similarly, if you want to clear your vendor open item, so click on it. Or if you want to clear your GL open item, so click on it. Now I am going to clear my GL open item, so I am removing this customer and vendors. Now at the down, move the page down, you have to select some parameters like this. All parameters you have to tick on it. Then remove this test run date, and first one we will run this on test run to check it once. Then if we will feel it is correct, then we can execute it directly. Now I am going to run in a test run and just execute. It is taking little time because system will identify your all the documents, all your open items based upon your configurations. As we have configured the assignment number in the criteria field, so based upon your assignment number, system will pick it up all the open items which are ready for clearing. So it will take little time. So wait a little minute. This is the very easiest way for automatic clearing your all the open items. You can clear very easily. There is only one configuration step which I have discussed in a previous video. If you did not watch that video, so you can first visit that video and learn what are the configuration steps. Then you can run this T code app.13 for your automatic clearing. Let me check the network, maybe. Yes, network. Yeah. Now window is updated. Here you can see the list, your open items which are system is showing for your clearing. These are the list which is not ready for clearing. We will move down, and here you can see the items which are ready for clearing. System is showing in a green color. It means these items are ready for clearing. So based upon your assignment number, system picked it up all the documents, all the items which are ready for clearing. So if you feel it is correct, then you can go back and remove the test run, and then you can execute it directly. We will move down and remove this test run. Now we can execute it directly. System is showing us message, this program is a production run, just press enter. So this is the way by which you can clear your all open items automatically. Here, what is the mean of this automatically? You are not going to assign the assignment number here manually by which you want to clear your open items, system will automatically find out and identify the open items based upon your configuration, the which field you have configured in the T code OB74. Based upon that, system will identify your all the open items and it will show you the list of open items which are ready for clearing. Then if you feel it is correct, so you can execute it. So I'm just showing you, waiting for to showing you the document. System is taking little time. So once it's updated, so you can see your clearing document is updated. Your open items is cleared now. So let the system update it. So now you can see this list is updated. Move down. Here you can see these are our cleared items which we have cleared now, and this is the clearing document number which is updated now, which is generated now based upon our automatic clearing. So like this you can clear your open items. So you can, if you want to see the report, GL line item report, so you can see it. FPL 3. Here you can check that GL number. This is the GL number which we have cleared now. Just copying this GL. And if you want to see all the items, so you can click on it, or if you want to see the cleared items, so you can click on it. So I want to see the all items, so I click on it and execute it. So here you can see the system is which item we have cleared now, the document number 144. So this is the clear document number 144 which is updated now with a clearing document. Here it is cleared now. The entry you can see here, the bank account is debited and your loan account is credited. So whatever your open items, you can clear it in the similar manner. Either is your customer open item, your vendor open items, or your GL open items. So this is the very easiest way to clear your open items automatically. If you like the video, so do subscribe and share the videos with your friends. See you soon in our next video with a new topic. Till then, do practice. Goodbye.